Nobody's taking this seriously. So what are we left to do?
They say seeking accountability has been like a full-time job since learning their teen was hurt and humiliated in a hazing in mid-October.
Meeting with administrators, emailing, following up with the police detectives, and not getting anywhere.
Flower Mound parents Amy and Doug are going by just their first names to protect their son's identity. Providing this video of the incident. We're showing a blurred version to give context while protecting the identities of the students involved.
Good.
The reason it needs to be shown is the fear that he's going through.
They say it happened after a football team dinner. The junior stripped of his clothes by a group of seniors and shot repeatedly with a pellet gun.
Did he say how painful that was?
He said it was so painful. And you can hear by the screams.
He's woken up several times in the night, don't shoot, don't shoot.
Louisville ISD said it conducted an extensive investigation involving interviews with more than 90 students and staff, as well as 13 families who came forward. The district says it did not find evidence of systemic hazing, but it did find a history of hazing incidents among a small group of student athletes. It said appropriate disciplinary action was taken, but did not say what that was, citing federal privacy laws. The Double Oak Police Department would not confirm the status of its case, but emails from detectives to the family, shared with WFAA, indicate a criminal investigation is underway. Just not fast enough for Doug and Amy.
When will you be able to say the job is complete?
I think when arrests are made and when administration takes further action with the leadership.
A job they never asked for, and one they're not ready to quit until their son sees justice. In Flower Mound, I'm Luke Clary.